Falguni. Welcome to Crafty Camp, my world of craft. With Halloween round the corner, you must be really excited, as it is a season to scare and be scared. But today, we will make ghost puppets, not scary ones, but cute little ones. Just nice and friendly like Casper, everyone's favorite ghost. I love him too. We are going to make different kinds of ghost puppets, boy and girl ghost. Now we are going to start making a mist ghost, for which we need a few things. A craft stick, yellow paint, paintbrush, white felt, black construction paper, blue and silver glitter foam sheets, googly eyes, punch, different colors of wool, glue, scissors. First, we will take the craft stick and pour paint on both the sides with blue paint, like this. Can you see this? Now, we are going to take a white felt and we are going to cut a rectangle here, which is slightly broader and slightly shorter than the craft stick. Like this. Can you see this? Now I'm going to give a slight curve on the top of the rectangle here. Like here. Like this. Glue this onto the craft stick. Remember to keep a little space down. We're going to glue it like this. Can we see this? Now we are going to take the strands of brown color wool and use it as the hair for the ghost. Apply some glue and just glue the strands like this. You could use any color of your choice. Now make 2 dots for the eyes. Can you see this? Yes. Now we take the punch and we are going to make buttons for the ghost. You can make 2, 3, however buttons you like. Or you could take some other color construction paper. I'm using black color for the buttons. Now we're going to give a pretty skirt for the ghost, for which I'm going to use a silver foam sheet and cut it like this. Can you see this? And we're going to glue it right here, right down. Can you see this? Middle Miss Ghost? So pretty and well dressed. Instead of a skirt, you could give her a dress. Can you see this like this? And instead of giving her hair like this, you could make a cute little bow. Our Miss Ghosts are ready. Don't they look pretty with the skirt and the dress? Bye for now. Keep smiling and stay crafty.